13 people died after an Indonesian Army helicopter crashed into the jungles of Borneo on Saturday. The helicopter was carrying construction workers to build a military outpost in Malinau district. Military officials suspect the crash was caused both by bad weather and a problem with the back rotor blades. The helicopter caught fire right after the crash. Rescuers used ropes, climbing equipment, and chainsaws to retrieve the bodies from the site. 8 of those who died were civilian construction workers, while 5 others were crew members.